Hello friends, today we will talk about Nepali versus Pakistani film industries. So let's start part 1. While both countries are crazy for films, Nepal clearly has an edge. Close to 12% of Nepalis watch films in comparison to 7% Pakistanis in cinemas. Nepali box office annual collection is close to $20 million in comparison to $35 million of Pakistan. And both have almost equal number of cinema screens, even after Nepal having 8 times less population than Pakistan. This shows the craze for films in Nepal. This also shows Nepali people have more disposable income and also great films. Bollywood and South Indian films are also popular in Nepal, like Bahubali RRR or Pushpa, but Nepali films like Purna Bahadur Ko Sarangi and Kabaddi film series have outperformed these Indian films in Nepal, showing the promise Nepali local cinema holds if given a proper opportunity. While Pakistan has banned Indian films since 2019, but still it hasn't been able to grow its industry to its full potential. Let's move to part 2, that is popular movies. So first, Nepali Purna Bahadur Ko Sarangi. It's the highest grosser at $6 to $7 million. Uh, Starring Vijay Baral, Prakash Saput, and Anjana Baraili. It is directed by Saroj Paudel and is a touching Nepali social drama. The story follows a poor Sarangi player who struggles against poverty and social discrimination while sacrificing everything to educate his son and give him a better future. All in all, a must-watch. Let's talk Pakistani. The Legend of Maula Jat. It's the highest grosser, close to $14 million internationally. Starring Fawad Khan, Mahira Khan, Hamza Ali Abbasi, and Humayma Malik. Directed by Bilal Lashari, a young director, and is a grand Punjabi action drama film. The plot revolves around Maula Jat, a fierce fighter haunted by his past, as he battles his deadly rival Nui in an epic story of revenge, honor, and justice. This film received international praise for its large scale and production design, unseen in Lollywood. Second, Kabaddi 4, The Final Match. Starring Deyahang Rai and Miruna Magar in the lead roles and directed by popular Nepali filmmaker Ram Babu Gurung. A romantic social comedy film that continues the emotional and humorous rural love story from the famous Kabaddi film series. Second for Pakistan, Jawani Phir Nahi Aani. The film stars Humayun Saeed, Fahad Mustafa and Kubra Khan, directed by Nadeem Beg. It is a romantic comedy adventure film filled with friendship, misunderstandings, weddings, and travel escapades. Next on the list, Punjab Nahi Jaungi. The movie stars Humayun Saeed and Mehwish Hayat with direction by Nadeem Beg. It is a romantic comedy drama that mixes family traditions, class differences, and modern relationships in a colorful Punjabi setting. Fourth one is Tifa in Trouble. The film features Ali Zafar and Maya Ali, directed by Ehsan Rahim. It is an action romantic comedy about a lively goon named Tifa who gets caught in a chaotic kidnapping and love story. Fifth, Love Guru. The movie stars Humayun Saeed and Mahira Khan, again directed by Nadeem Beg. A romantic comedy film focusing on love, relationships, and humorous misunderstandings with a modern urban backdrop. Now, Nepali. Third one is Bara Gau, featuring Biraj Bhatt and Samragi R. L. Shah in major roles and directed by Biraj Bhatt himself. An action drama film centered on revenge, family conflict, and power struggles set in a rural backdrop. Fourth one is Jari, starring Dayahang Rai and Miruna Magar. It is directed by Upendra Subba, known for realistic storytelling in Nepali cinema. A cultural romantic drama based on the Limbu community tradition of Jari, exploring love, marriage, and social customs. Chakka Panja, featuring Deepak Rajgiri and Priyanka Karki. It is directed by Deepa Shri Newala, one of Nepal's most successful comedy directors. It is a comedy drama film that humorously highlights social issues like unemployment, migration, and politics in Nepal. Let's talk about biggest stars. First, Rajesh Hamal, popularly known as the Mahanayak of Nepali cinema and the biggest superstar in Nepal's film history. Famous for his powerful screen presence, deep voice, action hero image, and charismatic dialogue delivery that dominated Nepali films in the 1990s and early 2000s. His most iconic films include Shankar, Basanti, Mukundo, and Hami Teen Bhai, which made him a household name across Nepal. Second, Dileep Rayamaji, one of Nepal's most charming romantic heroes and dance icons of the late 90s and early 2000s. His best-known films include Darpan Chhaya, Afno Manche and Mughlan, with Darpan Chhaya becoming one of the most successful classic Nepali films ever. Third, Daya Hangai, the face of modern realistic Nepali cinema. He is loved for portraying ordinary rural Nepali characters naturally. Subtle expressions and grounded performances are his USP. Popular films are Loot, Kabaddi, Talak Jung vs. Tulke, Jari, and White Sun. Fourth, Bipin Karki, popularly called Bhasme Dawn after his legendary role in Pashupati Prasad, and Nepal's finest method actors. Admired for his versatility and ability to completely transform into complex characters ranging from criminals to emotional family men. His most acclaimed films are Pashupati Prasad, Jatra, Prasad, Selfie King, and Loot. Now Pakistani stars. First, Fawad Khan, Pakistan's biggest heartthrob and admired internationally for his elegant screen presence and sophisticated acting. Also worked in Bollywood in 2010s. And he is especially known for romantic and emotionally layered performances in popular projects like The Legend of Maula Jat and Khoobsurat. Second, Humayun Saeed. Humayun Saeed is one of Pakistan's most commercially successful actors and producers, often called the king of Pakistani blockbuster entertainment films. Famous for charismatic romantic comedy roles in films like Punjab Nahi Jaungi, Jawani Phir Nahi Aani, and Mere Paas Tum Ho. Third, Javed Sheikh, a veteran superstar of Pakistani cinema known for his graceful screen presence and authoritative roles. His popular works include Om Shanti Om, Na Maloom, Afraad, and Jawani Phir Nahi Aani, where his humor and experience stand out strongly. Nowadays making counters to Dhurandhar. Talking about actresses. First, Niruta Singh, one of the most beloved romantic actresses in Nepali cinema during the late 1990s and early 2000s. She became iconic through films like Darpan Chhaya, Dakshina, and Afno Manche, and audiences admired her emotional acting and natural beauty. She is also a great singer. Second, Priyanka Karki, one of Nepal's most glamorous modern actresses. Admired for her versatility in comedy, romance, and dance performances. Notable films include Chakka Panja, Nahi Nabhanula 2, and How Funny, where her energetic screen presence became highly popular. Third, Miruna Nagar. Miruna Nagar is recognized for her graceful acting style and strong performances in culturally rooted Nepali films. She gained major popularity through movies like Kabaddi 4, Jari, and Rose, with viewers especially praising her natural emotional expressions. I just had to mention the OG, Manisha Koirala, known to everyone. Now Pakistani actresses. First, Mahira Khan, one of Pakistan's most celebrated actresses and fashion icons, admired for her elegance and expressive acting. Her best-known projects include Rise and The Legend of Maula Jat, where her emotional depth and screen chemistry earned widespread praise. Second, Mehwish Hayat, famous for her confident personality and strong performances in romantic and comedy films. Best known for Punjab Nahi Jaungi, Lord Wedding, and Actor-in-Law. Sabaa Kamar, respected as one of Pakistan's finest performers because of her bold role choices and powerful acting range. Her acclaimed works include Hindi medium, Baghi, and Cheek, where she became known for portraying emotionally intense and socially meaningful characters. Now it's the part 4th. Some of my film recommendations for someone new. First, Nepal. Darpan Chhaya. Featuring Dilip Rayamaji and Niruta Singh, its songs like Lahalane Jurai Ki became timeless Nepali classics. A generation-defining college romance that deeply influenced Nepali youth culture and film music. Second, Purna Bahadur Ko Sarangi. The story follows a poor Sarangi player who struggles against poverty and social discrimination while sacrificing everything to educate his son and give him a better future. Beautiful film. Om Ko Sweater. I watched it recently. Great natural performances and relatable modern storytelling with memorable emotional moments are fine points. It reflects the evolving urban identity and realism of today's Nepali cinema culture. Kabaddi 4. Daya Hangai and Miruna Nagar's chemistry made it a massive cultural phenomenon in Nepal. Its humor, dialogues, and folk flavor are to die for, especially the first Kabaddi film of the seas. The Legend of Maula Jat. Fawad Khan and Mahira Khan headlined this visually iconic Punjabi action epic. Its dialogues, style, cinematography revived Pakistani mass cinema, also attracting global audience and Pakistani diaspora interest. Joyland. Ali Junjo and Alina Khan delivered deeply human performances in this internationally celebrated drama. The film sparked global conversations and expanded perceptions of modern Pakistani storytelling. Bol, a 2011 film. Atif Aslam's songs and Humayma Malik's performances made this film an unforgettable experience. It marked a turning point for meaningful issue-based storytelling in modern Pakistani cinema. Now let's talk about future potential and issues with both industries. Pakistani cinema in the past has suffered deeply from religious extremism. However, in last decade has seen a positive trend. After advent of OTT platforms, fewer Pakistanis are going to cinemas where ticket prices are much higher versus the quality of films delivered. Only cinema-worthy films can attract audiences, which apart from Maula Jat, is lacking in Pakistan. Pakistani diaspora is a huge untapped potential audience, and they should focus more on Punjabi and Sindhi film industry rather than being obsessed with Urdu. Global Punjabi population will adore such efforts. About Nepali film industry. As we clearly saw earlier, Nepalis watch movies in cinemas twice as much as Pakistanis per capita. This means Nepalis should focus more on markets outside like India and diaspora Nepalis. Nepalis can get huge chunk of Indian audience just like South Indian films get, if they focus on some of their USPs and don't copy Bollywood. Their issue is underfunding and only an outward approach can fix it. They should expand into North India, which can be a huge market if done right. South Indian movies are examples of the same. For everyone interested, here is a preview of what we will talk about in the next video. S.S. Rajamouli and what can we learn from his genius, including how he visualizes a film much before production starts and how we need to see the beauty of SSR film and appreciate it. Thanks for watching it till the end. Kindly consider subscribing my channel for more such videos. Also like and share so that we can make more such content. Suggest in the comment section what we make next.